Benefits of Chinese oolong tea for weight loss. How do I use Chinese oolong tea for weight loss? If you want Chinese oolong tea to lose weight, here are some ways you can do it to reach your weight loss goal, and the steps are as follows. Oolong tea bags. We bring 1 cup of water and then take a tea bag and put it in the hot water and cover the cup with a small lid or saucer to allow the bag to slide down. And after about 2 to 3 minutes, take out the small tea bag, stir it slowly, and enjoy your wonderful drink. Oolong tea leaves. If you buy oolong tea leaves, you should follow the following steps. Fork. Mix a teaspoon of tea leaves China the black in a cup of hot water and soak for a period ranging from 10 minutes to 15 minutes, and then my glass tea and leave to cool slightly before drinking. And if you have a boil strainer water, and use a teaspoon of leaves in a cup of boiling water instead of soaking it for up to 15 minutes. Do it for 2 to 5 minutes. Chinese oolong tea powder. Mix 1 teaspoon of tea powder in 1 cup of hot water and let the mixture steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain and enjoy the tea for better tasting oolong tea for the desired weight loss. Is oolong tea good for weight loss? Yes. It is where some studies have shown that this Chinese tea can help a person to lose the amount of fat over time. There is also antioxidant properties in tea oolong that may help problems such as diseases as well as heart and vascular blood priority and cancer. Are also oolong consumption mostly in China and Taiwan, and it comes from the same plant that all different teas come from, as it is from the leaves, buds, and stems of the Camellia sinensis plant. Benefits of Chinese oolong tea for weight loss. For those who are curious about how oolong tea works for weight loss inside the body, there are some ways that help fight overweight and obesity, and the benefits of Chinese oolong tea in fighting obesity and losing weight include: Number 1. Gastrointestinal enzyme inhibition. Humans digest fats and carbohydrates with the help of enzymes such as lipase, amylase, and glucosidase. These enzymes break down nutrients in our digestive tracts as our bodies absorb smaller molecules into the bloodstream. The polyphenols in oolong tea may act on these enzymes and prevent them from effectively breaking down fats and carbohydrates, which means that fewer calories are absorbed. Number 2. Modifying gut bacteria. In recent years, some research has found a relationship between gut bacteria imbalances and obesity, because some gut bacteria have been shown to affect fat storage, blood glucose balance, and hormones that affect hunger and satiety. The polyphenols in brewed oolong tea may nourish or promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut, helping to prevent imbalances that may contribute to obesity or weight gain. Number 3. Regulating fat metabolism. The body sometimes needs a nudge to remind it when to turn excess energy into fat and vice versa. So some studies have found that tea rich in polyphenols like oolong tea can remind our body's energy sensing mechanisms by using fat as energy rather than letting it build up inside the body. Thus, it may help the energy sensing mechanisms to act on undigested carbohydrates in the intestine to produce short-chain fatty acids, and these short-chain fatty acids to pass to the liver help regulate fat metabolism, which in turn may help reduce fat stores in the stomach, arm, and any other parts of the body. Number 4. Optimizing energy expenditure. All teas that contain caffeine are among the side effects. But when you use oolong tea for weight loss, it means that the caffeine taken from it will increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation for several hours after drinking it, and increase energy expenditure by about 3 to 7.6% after drinking it. As a result, you will be able to be more active during the day, and therefore this will make you move more and burn fat. Number 5. Number extra calories. In case you are not adding sugar, honey, or other artificial sweeteners to it, Oolong tea for weight loss is great because it is a drink that is free of any weight gainers.